Hello and welcome. It means like wallet. Before starting the video, this is my bankroll, $50,000, and I will play for a profit of $5,000. I will not use any specific trick, but I will go for some combination of different tricks where I can make profit. So let's see whether I can achieve my target or not. Within the video, I just use $100 bet and try to make some profit over there. So first some red and third column and spin. My target is $5,000, so I need to take some bigger risk, and I need to increase some bet amount to make some profit. So I will add 1 unit after every spin. Whether I lose or I win, I will add 1 unit to both the places. I lose, then also I just rebet and add 1 unit to both the places, and I will wait until I make a good profit. It's 31, lose, so again I rebet and add 1 unit at both places. It's 4, I lose, so again I rebet and add 1 unit to both places. It's 19, red, again I rebet and add 1 unit to both places. It's an aggressive system of playing roulette to make good profit in less time. Again, I don't make any profit or any loss, so I just rebet and add 1 unit. I just need to win once to make a good profit over here in this strategy. It's 13, black, and I lose. So again I just rebet and add 1 unit to both the places. After testing this strategy, I will go to another strategy. So again I just rebet and add 1 unit to both the places. In this video I will tell you that all the strategy works in long run. The only thing is that you need to have some dedication, you need to have faith on your strategy so that you can maximize the profit. This is the strategy number 1, red and third column, and I am going with this strategy, and up to yet I have made some losses, but I know I will make some profit in long run. It's 34, red, and I hadn't made any profit, so just take a free bet and $2. It's 6. I make some profit over here. Then also it's not the actual profit I am targeting, so I just continue my play style. I just need to hit once to my desired number so that I can make a good profit over here. So again rebet and add 1 unit to both the places. It's 13, black, I lose, so again I rebet and add 1 unit to both places. It's 10, again I lose and I rebet and add 1 unit at both the places. It's 24, I win, but I hadn't made any profit, so I just rebet and give 1 unit to both the places and play. It's 30, and I win 5,000, but that is not enough, so I just rebet and add 1 unit to both the places again and continue the game. is 23. I haven't made any profit or any loss, so again I just go for this trick and add 1 unit at both places and play. It's 7. So again 1 unit at both places and play. It's 5. Again the same situation. I haven't made any profit, so rebet and add 1 unit to both the places. It's 8. I lose, so again I rebet and add 1 unit to both places and continue. It's 21 and I win $6,600, but I haven't made my profit target. That's why I just rebet and add 1 unit and play. It's 14. No profit, no loss situation, so I just add 1 unit to both places and continue the game. It's 25. Red. Again no profit, so 1 unit at both the places and continue. It's 17 black, it's loss, so again rebet and add 1 unit at both places and continue the game. It's 16 red and I don't make any profit, so just rebet and add 1 unit both the places. It's 4. Again the same situation. I won't make any profit, so just rebet and add 1 unit to both places and continue. It's 31 black, I lose, so again I just rebet and add 1 unit to both places. It's 19 red and I don't make any profit, so again I just rebet and add 1 unit to both places and continue the game. It's 28 black, again I lose, so rebet and add 1 unit to both places and continue. This is one of the slowest game I ever played, but the profitability of this game is too high and it's $38,000, so I just add 1 unit. After rebet I will continue this game until I make a profit over here. I started the game with the bankroll up by 50,000, so I will continue this same trick until I reach the bankroll, which is more than $50,000. Again, it's a lose, so 6,000 lose. And rebet and add 1 unit to both places and continue the game. It's 7 red, no profit, no loss. So again, rebet and add 1 unit and play. It's 19 red, no profit, no loss either. So rebet and continue. It's 18 red and I make a good profit over here, and I just can't cross the initial bankroll, so I will continue the game again. And it's 3. I hope I make some profit over here. I make a profit of 4,000 in this trick. As you can see over here, I make a profit of $5,100, and if I continue this game I may make some more profit over here. But as for my trick, if I cross the previous bankroll, I just stop the game, and as you see, this is one of the most risky process to make profit, but within a short period of time you can make a good profit over here. Within 10 minutes of play I make a profit of $4,100. The investment or the bankroll I used was a huge one. It's a $50,000, but it gives you profit, some quick profit and big profit in wallet. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then share it with your friends so that they can also get the opportunity to make profit from wallet. And thanks for watching. Keep watching and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching once again.